Meteor Crater, which is located in Arizona, is the result of a collision between a massive nickel-iron meteorite and our planet. The impact, estimated to have occurred at a speed of about 26,000 miles per hour, unleashed an explosive force equivalent to 20 million tons of TNT. The collision left a crater nearly a mile in diameter and over 550 feet deep, making it one of the best-preserved impact sites on Earth. This remarkable site bears witness to a cataclysmic event that occurred approximately 50,000 years ago, leaving behind an indelible mark on the Earth's surface. The story begins with the arrival of the 150-foot meteorite, which vaporized upon impact, creating a shockwave that excavated the surrounding landscape. Although Native Americans and early European settlers were aware of the crater, it wasn't until the early 20th century that its extraterrestrial origins were confirmed. Meteor Crater stands as a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet and the cosmic forces that have shaped it. Thanks for watching.